My name is Pastor Ross Johnson. I'm the director of LCMS Disaster Response. I'm here in Tampa, Florida right now, doing an initial assessment. We're looking for host congregations that are going to be volunteer and outreach centers. So as we are responding in the name of Christ with volunteers, we'll have a place to house them and to work out of. But we're not only doing response here in Florida, we're also going to be doing response work across Georgia into the Carolinas as well, working with multiple districts, many different congregations. 3 ways that you can help. The first one is to pray for those who have been affected by these horrific storms. The second way to help out is to consider being a volunteer. And the third way to help out is to consider donating to LCMS Disaster Response. The best place to go to is lcms.org/disaster.